Hey guys, what is up? It is Monster Jam Collector Racing here, and I'm back with another Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing and review video. So, here's the truck. Now, if you guys could tell, this is the Blizzard Basher series. So, I think this is the 2020 version of the Blizzard Bashers. I could be wrong. But anyways, here we have the Torque Terror Snow Owl, the 909 Wolf, the Town Hauler Polar Bear, the Podium Crasher Lynx, and the Dairy Delivery Walrus. So, anyways, which truck do you guys think this is? You guys can already tell from the title of this video. It is the 909 Wolf. So that's pretty amazing. I really like the detailing on the wolf there, so that's pretty neat. So, 909 Wolf. And before we unbox the 909 Wolf, we're going to take a look at the status. And here they are. Named the 909 Wolf, truck type pickup truck, strength the Alpha, crash attack, howling storm, motivation to be the leader of the pack. Nice. And right here it says Blizzard Bashers. It's the perfect storm when the Blizzard Bashers face off. They send a chill through all the other monster trucks. So that's pretty neat. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the 909 Wolf. Alright guys, here it is, the 909 Wolf. This thing looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, pretty neat looking truck. And here's the crush car that came with it. Try to build it here. Alright, so here's the crush car. It's just the basic 2020 crush car. And I really like the detailing on this car. It's pretty neat. So, yeah, put that off to the side. And here it is, the 909 Wolf. So, I really like the detailing on the Blizzard Bashers here. So, you got like snow on the front, and on top it says Hot Wheels, and you got a couple of scars right here from the wolf. Side says Hot Wheels right here, and you got the wolf, and it says Hot Wheels right here. Here's the back, it says Monster Trucks, and the same thing goes for the other side. Has a blue roll cage, white chassis, and clear translucent blue tires and rims. That's pretty neat. I really like this. So, there you have it, my first Blizzard Basher. So, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.